Hello, my name is Jonathan David Vergara Moreno. I am a student at UNAD and today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic relationships in the future. I hope you enjoy this interview. interview. Hello, thank you for being here. Let's start. How do you think family relations will be in the future? You, I think family relationship will be very different. Families will probably be smaller but closer. People will communication more through technology. They will use video calls and messages to stay in touch even if they live far away. As law thinks families will be more open and understanding of touch. Interview interesting and what about friendships? Will people have more or fewer friends in the future? Yo, it thanks a great question. It thinks people will have many online friends, but fewer true friends in real life. Social media will connect people from all over the world, so friendships won't have borders. However, if really were real, face to face friendships will be more valuable than ever. Interviewer, what about romantic relationship? How will they change? Yo, romantic relationship will be more flexible in future. People will meet their partners online more often through apps and virtual reality. Couples may even live in different cities or countries and still have strong relation thanks to technology. It thinks people will also be more honest about what they want in relationship. Interviewer, la question what kind of relationship do you want to have in 10 years? Yo, in 10 years, I want to have a strong and happy family. I will be closer to my lover, honest, and I will make more time for team people who matter to me. I ask also want to have good friendship based on respect and honesty. In things the future will bring many changes, but it am going to make sure that my relationship they meaningful and real. Thank you so much for watching. Relationship are one of the most important things in life, and I'm sure the future will bring exciting change. See you next time. Bye. Gracias.